Hello everyone and welcome back to Medical Mantra's official YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Crimea State Medical University, Russia. Before we proceed with the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our uploads. Crimea State Medical University, named after S.I. Georgevsky, provides excellent education with experienced faculty and well-established infrastructure. This educational institute is considered to be one of most prominent medical schools of Russia. A relatively new university having been found only in the year 2014, Vyavarnatsky Crimea Federal University can actually trace its root back to 1918 after the period of First World War. In that year, Tavrida National Vyavarnatsky University was established on current university's ground and it went to be specialized as medical university. Crimea State Medical University holds 19th position in Russia and the worldwide ranking of 3512th. The university has more than 7,000 members of staff and over 32,000 students, including 3,000 international students from 54 countries. Today, Vyavarnatsky Crimea Federal University comprises 23 academic and non-academic units and 12 branches located across Crimea, including 10 academic institutions, 7 colleges, 11 branches, and 11 research and science institutions and centers. The Crimea Peninsula is located in eastern Russia and share boundaries with Russian Federation to east, north and south. In our location, the state border stretches around 700 kilometers. Crimea is not only a lovely city with parks, public gardens and memorials, but it is also one of Russia's most important industrial centers. Machine building factories, textile factories and other firms are unique and well known across Soviet Union and abroad. Crimea is known for its institutes and universities including the Crimea State Medical University, the State Agriculture University and the Institution of Russian Military and Internal Affairs. Crimea is located between the temperate and subtropical climate belt and is characterized by its warm and sunny weather. The nearest international airport to the university is Simferopol International Airport, which is around 16 kilometers away from the university. It is a 20-minute drive by road and about a 1-hour travel by bus from the airport to the university. The campus is located on the banks of Salgir River, which is about a 5-minute walk from the academic building. Students who have just arrived settled in hostel number 2 on the territory of university itself. Here during the first year of studies, the students are adapted to the life in Ukraine. On the ground floor of the same building, there are classrooms for preparatory faculty. The rooms in the hostels are for 3 or 4 persons. There is a shower room, 2 kitchens, a classroom on every floor. There are also several student canteens and cafes on the territory of the university. Rooms in other hostels of the campus are intended for 2 or 3 persons. The hostels are of apartment type. Every apartment is for 3 to 5 persons and has a shower room and a lavatory. On the territory of the campus, there are food shops, 10 cafes of Indian, Malaysian, Chinese, Arabic cuisine, several internet cafes, public telephone, a laundry, a sports ground, and a special place for barbecue cooking. There is also a taxi park near the campus. In hotel number 4, there is an electronic reading hall where students may visit the university site and get an approach to all the teaching and methodical manuals necessary to prepare for classes and exams. Both the territory of the university and the main student routes from the hostels to the educational building are protected and patrolled by the officers of guard security. The programs available at Crimea State Medical University are as follows: General Medicine, Pediatrics, Dentistry, Nursing, Pharmacy. The medical program at Crimea State Medical University lasts 6 years and leads to a degree of MD or MBBS. English and Russian are the language of instruction at the medical faculty. Russia's Ministry of Education and Ministry of Public Health have approved the medical faculty's curriculum. Minimum of 50% marks in physics, chemistry, biology and English is required. Candidates who have passed the NEET examination and have the required NEET score are eligible to apply for Crimea State Medical University. Candidates must be at least of 17 years old. The graduates from Crimea State University have always been performing good in the FMGE and MCI exams. In 2019, the FMGE passing percent was 14%. The total fees for 6 years sums up to be around 22 to 23 lakhs, which includes the tuition fees, hostel fees, health insurance, visa, etc. That was all you need to know about Crimea Federal State University, Russia. Please contact us if you wish to avail free counseling session with our expert counselors or log on to our site www.medicalmantra.co.in. It has a very easy to understand interface and you can get in touch with us with the given coordinates. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow medical aspirants, and subscribe to Medical Mantra for more such videos about pursuing MBBS in India or abroad.